Good morning, students. Today is our topic acrylic. Acrylic is also called artificial silk. Acrylic fiber are synthetic fibers that are soft, warm, lightweight with a wool-like feel. Acrylic fiber is also called artificial silk. As acrylic is cheaper than wool, it is used to make socks, gloves, scarves, and sweaters. Acrylic can also be dyed in a variety of colors that do not fade easily. That is why it is used in garments that require constant washing. Next topic, plastic. Different kind of plastic are made by using crude oil, natural gas, limestone and salts. Plastics can be made as hard as stone, as transparent as glass, as light as wood and as elastic as rubber. They are resistant to moisture and decay. Here some example of plastics. Did you know? Have you seen a plastic bubble seeds? It is used to packing various kinds of fragile things. It is made by adding a chemical called sodium carbonate to the raw plastic material. When this mixture is heated, the plastic melt and sodium carbonate is the mixture produces carbon dioxide gas. As the mixture is quickly cooled, the liquid plastic is the mixture forms a sheet and the carbon dioxide gets trapped as bubbles. You have seen this, also you have seen it. Types of plastic. There are two types of plastic, thermosets and thermoplastic. The properties of these plastics depend on the molecular structures of their polymers. Thermosets are hard. The polymers are joined by strong cross links and do break on heating. That is why they do not melt and can be saved only once. They are used to make electrical switches, electrical plugs and sockets as they do not melt when they get hot. Thermosets cannot be recycled. Bakelite and melamine are such plastics. You have seen the thermosetting plastic diagram cross-linked. Thermoplastics are made up of polymer chains that are kept together by a big forces which are easily destroyed by heat. This is why they melt on heating. They can be recycled and molded into any shape one wants. Polythene is a thermoplastic. Thermoplastic are not be strong as thermoset plastics. Here thermoplastic. Difference between thermosets and thermoplastic. Thermosets and thermoplastic. Thermosets very hard. It is not very hard. Do not melt on heating. Melt on heating, can be saved only once, can be molded into any shape as number of time, or not recycled, can be recycled. Thank you, student.